5 when I do a talk on hitting your sweet spot. And there was something else. Let me get my notes. You really don't need to train as much as you think you do. If you're just starting, you're going to need a lot of reps and a lot of sets. But once you have like a solid foundation of muscle, you really just maintain. If you want to keep going, go ahead, but for what? As I was saying, let's get to it. Excuse the rest. Shit. Not bad. So the sweet spot. If you look at like professional bodybuilders, they got muscles everywhere, right? They got control everywhere. If you're just starting out, you don't have any control because you haven't been using that stuff. But if you're someone like me who's been like putting in the time, all you gotta do, I don't even lift anymore. I only lift if I feel like it. What I'm doing, I'm segmenting each muscle group. So if I want to just use this part, that's all I'm gonna lift. Now most people they try and lift with the whole arm. You can do that, I don't really care what you do. But if you want to strengthen certain parts, you gotta lift that part. But this is my bad shoulder, like right in here. So that's what I'm gonna be working on for both sides. And when you loosen up your shoulders, this part of your spine opens up too. I'm gonna do it from the back because I've never seen that. You just want to get control of every part of your body. Once you do that, that's when you become really strong. That's how you get dense muscles. Going up the weight. And when you're doing it with your feet, you don't want to be like this. Have your feet engaged. Be on your toes, but have your heels on the ground too. Another thing is the power of one rep. Consistency. These two fingers are very important. Nobody uses these. Make your whole arm stronger. And that's it. If you want to get stronger, focus on one particular muscle group. So for me, it was my shoulder. That's what I'm working on. And then by opening up your shoulders, you're gonna open up your spine too. That's that.